like when I really got enrolled at
Mm-hmm.
my college, at Hotel Management College back in Dadar.
Mm-hmm.
तो कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेने के लिए ही हमें एंट्रेंस एग्जाम देनी पड़ी थी. तो आई थॉट कि ओके ठीक है, दिस इज अ सीरियस शिट. तो यू नो टू गेट
Mm-hmm.
एन एडमिशन यू नीड टू गेट गिव एन एंट्रेंस एग्जाम. तो मे बी यू रियली डू गेट नाइस जॉब ऑफर लेटर एंड व्हाट नॉट.
Mm-hmm.
इसलिए मैंने दिया एंड आई गॉट सिलेक्टेड एंड देन या 3 साल बहुत अच्छे गए. मतलब स्टडीज तो
Mm-hmm.
मैंने की.
Obviously, the student phase.
Yes, the student phase. And then after graduating from college,
Mm-hmm.
I मतलब ऑफर लेटर्स आए थे मेरे पास, रिटेल के भी थे, सेल्स के भी थे, बट नहीं, मेरे गांड में तो कीड़ा चला था कि मैं किचन में जाके
Mm-hmm.
कुक बनूंगा, शेफ बनूंगा, यही. और यस, आई आई डिड रियली गॉट सम रिटेल, अच्छे अच्छे रिटेल सेल्स के जॉब ऑफर लेटर. और मैंने वो किया भी था 15 दिन के लिए, बट देन आई गॉट टू बोर्ड बिकॉज इट वाज जस्ट प्रॉपर 9 hour shift, no झमेला, no proper 9 hour shift, go home come back, go home come back. I got too boring.
Okay, so the retail one.
It's retail one, yes. And then I joined the kitchen back in. Should we name the company? No.
No, we should not. We don't want to get at the.
So this is some big hospitality
Yeah.
hotel brand that I'm working with, and yeah, I got selected for that. And I think yeah, यार मेरे पास में बहुत बड़ी बी है, but okay,
Hmm?
yeah.
What
So
the?
B is not big, it's a big B, like a very big, like house. Stinging bee ऐसा कुछ होता है ना, बड़ा सा मधुमक्खी का क्या
अच्छा अच्छा, या मधुमक्खी.
हाँ, मधुमक्खी, वही वही.
हाँ हाँ,
वो
okay.
है. Anyways, so yeah, so yeah, I got selected for that big hotel brand, and it's basically like, I
Mhm.
don't want to exaggerate it right now, but yeah, it's basically like a leadership program जिसमें तुम basically 2 साल के लिए दिहाड़ी करो, पर दिहाड़ी करते करते तुम सीखोगे. तो सीखने से तुम्हें प्रमोशन मिलेगा 2 साल के बाद, और यू सेट फॉर लाइफ. बट जब मैंने जैसे ही फर्स्ट डे एंट्री किया था होटल में, काम वर्क प्लेस पे,
Mhm.
the look I got from every other chef, every other person in the kitchen and outside the kitchen, like other दूसरे housekeeping, IT का ये different. लोग ऐसे नहीं थे. मैंने blue blazer पहना था and I went inside the kitchen and started introducing myself like a normal person, because I thought that was the normal thing you do. You introduce yourself and I'm go, like, good morning sir, good morning ma'am, my name is Virendra. And suddenly I am introducing myself. So this idiot is interrupted. He interrupted me immediately. नहीं नहीं नहीं, तेरा किसी ने पूछा तुझे तेरा नाम क्या है, प्लीज तू अंदर जा, शेफ कोट पहन और काम चालू कर.
Like from first day.
Yeah, yeah, and I was so shocked, like what the fuck. And I was like, ठीक है, maybe you know what, this is a hard
Mhm.
place and I have to get used to it and I will get used to it. So मेरे अंदर वो चिंगारी रहती है ना, ब्रेव वाली चिंगारी, की अपने में गांड बड़ी करके सबको अपने अंदर दे दूंगा.
Yeah, the new passion kind of.
Passion in my ass, like ऐसा कुछ. So yeah, and मैंने शेफ को चेंज किया.
Mhm.
मैं अंदर आया किचन के, और जैसे किचन के अंदर आया, और वो शेफ कोड मेरा भी नहीं था, मतलब मैं मेरा शेफ कोड लाया ही नहीं था. इंडस्ट्रीज दे डू, व्हाट डू दे कॉल इट, एक्सटॉर्शन एंड ऑल दैट.
Exploitation.
You
Oh, what happened?
have to cut that. Exploitation or extortion था मैं.
Exploitation. Exploiting. What did you say? Call it? वो होता है वो किडनैपिंग के बाद वो
what
रैंडम.
degree has done to us. Degree has done to us, yeah. Totally crazy trauma dump हो गया है हमारा.
Yeah, so like, will you recommend hotel management to newer students?
Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no.
By the way, I have done BCom and I will suggest the same. Hell no.
Yeah, because see, if अगर टाइम मशीन होती है, मैं थोड़ा 2-3 साल पीछे जा पाता तो मैं बोल पाता खुद को कि भाई तू छोड़ दे, तेरी गार्ड में लोग बम्बू डाल के तेरे से काम करवाने वाले, so you have to leave now.
Yeah.
But on a very serious note, I would say people who really look forward to do that hard working, that like उन्हें hard work से डर नहीं लगता, that they can work continuously for 14 hours under the name of passion. They can be in kitchen, in F&B, or like
Mhm.
hi sir, my name is this and that, how may I help you? Can do that for 14 hours straight. Then
Mhm.
sure,
Then you can go with the hotel management.
this is just for you. And before taking that option to pursue hotel the husband, I will just say, these are some points that you have to check because you can't celebrate holidays with your family. That's the first thing. Second, even if you get an off after after a month, even if you have like 6 off for a month and you get only one in a month, you're gonna just spend it on sleeping on the bed.
Yeah.
एंड तो कुछ भी नहीं कर पाएगा तो इतना सारा पैसा कमा के पैशन करके दिखा के इट डजंट फील वर्थ इट बट देयर आर सम पीपल अराउंड हु से कि नहीं वी कैन डू इट सो या श्योर गो अहेड डू इट
Yeah, let's clear one thing. कि hotel management people get leaves on the paper, but their managers does not approve those.
जस्ट अप्रॉक्स 2 years yes
Yeah, so they get 1 to 2 week offs in a month,
yes
like you.
like me
Yeah, so you have to rely on some substance.
yeah and also the worst part is that sometimes when I जब मैं starting में नया आया था तभी इंडक्शन में हमें बहुत कुछ बोला था कि बेटे you will have what 6 off per month and 22 off that paid leave early so that you can book 22 days leave to go somewhere and कहाँ पर भी घूमने जाओ फिर क्या कुछ भी But the thing is that जब मैंने फर्स्ट मंथ मुझे एक दो हफ्ते में काम कर रहा था तभी मैंने सेकंड मंथ एचआर को जाके कंप्लेन किया था कि दिस इज हैपनिंग व्हाट टू डू एचआर idiot he mailed every other HOD he kept me on CC and he mailed what this is Viren Santosh Shinde this is his employee ID he has been not allotted for rest of his off for September month he's asking for more off please coordinate with the department that was his line and I was like this is the HR that you support like employee
Yeah.
he's supposed to support employee but no he's supporting the business actually they work on commission and maybe commission was not the word but no they're commission
Yeah.
the word but like pata nahi yaar like per get some amount of money I think
Yeah.
they do and the thing is that after he mailed every other HOD क्या हुआ मैं जब अपने सेक्शन में गया तभी मेरा शेफ मुझे देख रहा है बोल रहा है लेकिन तूने कंप्लेन करी मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि तू कंप्लेन कर जाके उसकी बात में सुना उसने मुझे कन्विंस कितना अच्छे से किया उसने मुझे बोला कि तू कंप्लेन मत करना ना तू क्यों किया यू कुड हैव कम टू मी आस्क मी फॉर ऑफ I was like, I did ask you for off. I mean, तुमने दिखा नहीं क्या? You have that whole ass schedule of your employees on your desktop. You can't see कि ये बंदे को off नहीं मिला है, so you have to allot him. And you are sitting in that upper position to know all this. You have been qualified to do your job basically. You can't do that. You can't look after your employees. You can't look after your customers. You can't look after your restaurant and hotel and whole business. You're fucked. And you want me to get fucked with you? Hell to the fuckness. So yeah, don't do upper management shit. Do drugs instead. Do bad.
Yeah, exactly. That is the one thing you should highlight here. Like all of the employees from managers to associates, everyone smoke.
Yeah.
So I think we should finish our conversation
Yes.
for today.
It was. Yes, it was. so
Yeah, because
fun.
this is gonna be our first video, and
Yes.
we have to keep the things limited ताकि future में
Okay.
we have content.
Yes. Yes.
Miss girl.
Yeah. So do we do that like share and subscribe and share
Yeah, you can do that.
Okay, I'll say like you say share. Okay.
Okay.
Like and
Share,
guys.
and if you want, if you're not a hoe, subscribe.
subscribe and press on that bell icon so you get notified about our new videos and you can just
Yeah, because your ex does not text you, but we will
We will
definitely.
definitely yes.